Alright guys, we're in Altima. We're at a dealership right now, but I'm going to show you guys how to do the remote start in this thing. It is super freaking simple. First thing is the BCM is located right here behind the instrument cluster. So what you're going to do is tilt the steering wheel all the way down and pull it out towards you. Lock it back into place, and then we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic bezel all the way around that cluster. Alright, so to do that, grab a plastic pry tool. Basically just put it in between the dash pad and the plastic panel, and it gets loose and you can pull it right on out. So once you guys have the bezel loose all the way around, this cloth piece right here is attached to the bezel, and it just has a couple clips that poke down into the steering shroud. So just take your screwdriver or plastic tool, it'll just pop up, and then work your way across and then remove this whole plastic bezel. Once you guys have the plastic bezel removed, there is 3 screws in this cluster that we need to remove. One is up here, obviously, in the center. The other one is down here on the bottom left corner, and the other one is way back in there on the bottom right corner. So once you have the 3 screws out, push the left side back, pull the right side out. It's going to get you access to this plug right here. So unplug that, and once you unplug it, you can pull this out and have access to the other plug right here, and then set this whole cluster in your back seat so we don't get it scratched up. Right here's our BCM. So you're basically just going to take our T-harness right here, go ahead and plug all the coordinating connectors in, plug the red connector into the module, and then we will do the programming instructions. Hold the button on the side of the module here, insert the blue connector. This light turns orange. When it does, like that, let go of the button, and now it's solid red. It might be hard to see, but that is solid red. Go ahead and push the unlock button on the key, and then it'll start flashing orange. So this is what we need. Now we're going to run over to the driver's side, and we're going to insert the key into the key port. We're going to push and hold the brake pedal for up to 15 seconds, but we're looking for this light to turn solid green and turn off. So I'm going to run over there and do that real quick. And now our module is complete. Alright guys, so we got the Nissan Altima all wrapped up. So on the factory key fob, you're going to hit lock 3 times. So we're going to go lock, 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 and give it a few seconds and she'll fire up.